What up, nomads? In today's video, we're diving into whether trunk-style suitcases are better than ones with zippers. Now, while both styles are very popular as a choice for carry-on luggage, there are pros and cons to each. And because trunk style can be pricier, many people rightfully wonder if it's worth it. Now, trunk-style latches have been around for centuries. Let's not forget the original suitcase was kind of like a steam trunk and looked like this. And if you were wealthy enough to travel, likely someone else was doing the hauling for you. Fast forward to when zippers were invented and we had suitcases with it, and then the rolling suitcase. And now zippers are kind of the default fastening system on most luggage. But there is one major flaw, which is that zippers are easy to break into. You only have to search zippers plus pen to see videos of how easy it is, despite locks and combinations, to get into a zippered suitcase. And many prestige brands like Rimowa are known for their aluminum trunk-style suitcases with clasps, which also makes this style feel very wealthy and aspirational. Aesthetically, there is far more choice on the zipper suitcase side. You can have soft shell, hard shell, a combination of both, expandable suitcases, and there's a much wider range of pricing. On the trunk style side, there are often very minimalist, expensive, and fancy looking ones, and to be honest, they look really slick. But there aren't many inexpensive options if you're looking for something under $100. I'll give credit to July, who makes some pretty cute and colorful ones that are so fun. Security-wise, there truly is no competition since trunks are way harder to break into. I will give some credit to zippers though, as I've seen more and more brands developing puncture-proof zippers, although I think we're still a little bit of ways away from that being truly impenetrable. That being said, if your trunk-style lock fails or gets damaged, you're kind of screwed and have to break into your own luggage, which could require irreversible damage to your suitcase. Let's look at durability next. Trunk-style clasp suitcases often feature metal clasps and a hard shell, either some form of polycarbonate or an aluminum body. This provides robust protection for your belongings. However, while they offer great durability, trunk-style clasp suitcases can be heavier and less flexible in packing. Also, if the clasps get damaged or bent in any way, this can prevent the suitcase from closing and opening, rendering your suitcase pretty unusable. On the other hand, zipper suitcases are typically made from materials like nylon, polyester for soft shell, and a polycarbonate for hard shells. While they offer more flexibility and lighter weight, zippers can sometimes be prone to snagging or breaking under pressure. Plus, zippers fail all the time, and if you can't get the zipper back in alignment, changing a zipper on a suitcase is usually way more expensive than replacing the luggage entirely. So which one is more durable? Well, trunk-style clasp suitcases tend to offer superior protection against rough handling because they're often made of really tough materials, while zipper suitcases provide better flexibility, are more roomy, lighter, and easier to compress. For usability and convenience, let's start with the trunk-style clasp suitcase. As you can see, opening and closing this type of suitcase is pretty straightforward, but it's important to ensure the clasps are properly aligned. One major advantage is how well it handles being overstuffed thanks to its rigid structure, which keeps everything secure. I mean, once it's closed, it's closed. On the downside, it can be a bit tricky to open quickly if you're in a hurry. Now let's look at the zipper suitcase. Opening and closing this one is a breeze, and zippers allow for quicker access to your items, especially in tight spaces like an airplane overhead bin. However, overstuffing can stress the zippers and might lead to potential damage over time. Next, let's dive into packing efficiency. Trunk-style clasp suitcases often come with built-in internal compartments that help you organize your items neatly. The hard shell structure allows for efficient space utilization, ensuring that everything stays in place during transit. However, I found that these suitcases sometimes have less space, and compared to soft shell zipper suitcases, you can't accommodate for oddly shaped items, and you can't stretch that material in the corners, for example. On the other hand, zipper suitcases usually offer more flexible packing options. Many models come with expandable compartments, exterior pockets, which can be lifesavers when you need that extra bit of space and you want to add things to your suitcase at the last second. So the flexibility of the fabric ones really is just better at packing irregular items, although this can sometimes lead to overpacking and stress on the zippers and fabric. It really is pros and cons. Wrapping up, trunk-style clasp suitcases excel in security, structure, and durability. However, if they break, that's the end. Zippered suitcases come in more styles, price points, and are often way more flexible, which can be way easier and more pleasant when in use and in travel. However, there is that security risk of being broken into, so if that's important to you, I totally get it. Let me know in the comments below if you're team trunk style, zippered, or depends on the trip. Thanks for watching this video, and follow me for more travel reviews and packing tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video until the end. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase and turn on notifications so you get all the fresh content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for supporting this channel. Happy travels!